Could letting go of your cyber team spark a security disaster? The White House thinks so, and here's why it matters for your business. You're receiving the CyberStream System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, the White House says not to fire any cyber guys. Recently, the White House made a bold move, urging federal agencies not to lay off their cybersecurity teams despite looming budget cuts. It's a reminder, cutting corners on cyber protection in business, like in government, can cost you big. Let's dive into why this matters for your law firm, university, nonprofit, or factory. In March 2025, as federal agencies faced a deadline to submit mass layoff plans, an email from Greg Barbaccia, the U.S. Federal Chief Information Security Officer, made waves. Reuters reported he told agencies to spare their cyber teams, calling cybersecurity national security and urging leaders to find savings elsewhere. Why the urgency? Agencies like the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, or CISA, had already taken hits. CISO Online noted CISA lost 130 plus staffers in February 2025, though a judge later reinstated them. CISA's been a rock star, setting gold standards for federal cyber defenses, and losing talent could weaken that. Your business isn't a federal agency, but the stakes are just as real. Law firms hold client secrets, universities manage student data, nonprofits guard donor info, and manufacturers protect trade secrets. If the White House sees cyber pros as untouchable, it's a signal. Skilled defenders are your first line against ransomware or data leaks. National CIO Review highlighted this as a wake-up call for all organizations. Prioritizing cyber talent isn't optional. A single breach averages $4.5 million according to IBM, enough to cripple a small business. At CyberStreams, we're all about keeping your defenses tight, whether it's an Austin legal office or a Tacoma factory. The White House's stance reinforces what we've preached. Invest in cyber expertise now or pay later. CISA's reinstatement shows even the government's doubling down. Your business should too. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, hire, train, or outsource cyber talent. Build a team, upskill staff, or hire a firm like CyberStreams to take care of your cyber needs for you. Second, audit your defenses. Run a cyber fit assessment to understand your cyber fitness and make a plan of action and budgetary alignment to address the most impactful changes. And third, stay proactive. Monitor systems with tools like endpoint detection and response, or EDR, to catch issues early. But remember to keep an eye on them. Set it and forget it is not a security strategy. Want more? Check the link below or email me at matt@cyberstreams.com if this rings true. This concludes your CyberStream System Update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.